Hi, so this is video 3 of my stationery haul gift goodies from my little birdie Joshua. And there he is, the timing. Thomas, hello. Okay, so let's get started. I'm Tammy Inman, and this is A Peach Life. Thank you for being here on my YouTube channel with me. I love and appreciate having you guys and sharing with you. Okay. So, another cover. Trust me, I just couldn't even believe it when I opened this up. And you want to know the cute thing? He saved all the bags for me from the gift shop. So if you've watched the other videos, you've seen I have the bag from the factory store. I have the bag from the Itoya stationery store. He saved the bags that they came in. The little receipts, look at that. So this is the Starbucks Reserve Roastery, and they are the Travelers Company items. And he saved the little receipt for me. And look at this. He saved other little bags that he got things in. And he's like, I don't know what you want, Birdie, but here's all the little receipts. Oh, I got to get the Sanrio from him. It's really cute how it says Sanrio. He borrowed it for a little picture. The little bags. Look at these little bags. Even those little bags are so cute. More little bags. Lots of the little goodies from the first stationery haul came in my receipts and goodies. Oh my gosh. He's just so cute and thoughtful. And my little rotisserie bag, rotisserie, roastery. This isn't chicken. Okay. So let's take a look. So I want to share with you, I haven't opened the other goodies, but I opened this just like in my last video. I opened, and it is the camel. I know I say caramel sometimes, but it is the camel. And I quickly added my little coffee and traveler's notebook, little piece, pen loop or something, I think it is, from years past. I added that right on because I thought that would be cute. I'm thinking of putting the dark elastic. What do you guys think? You like the light elastic or the dark elastic might give it a little accent? Let me know your thoughts. And then okay, so that's this. It has the little bag and all the little items, and then I'll show you. Inside it came with, it came with a plain notebook, like the card, the craft-like folder one, blank. This is an insert I put in here. This is like my, oh my gosh, you guys are going to be like, what? My little notes for my little cases I'm working on my little true crime stuff. So, okay, I like to keep notes. I have a theory. We won't get into all of that. Okay, so that is so cute. All right, and then more washi tape. This one says Travelers Company Starbucks Reserve, and it looks like lots of little drinks, and I'll swatch these along with the other ones from the prior video and my little setup for my Travelers Company 2025 that I'm going to do with you guys. I think I'll probably post that like the first week of December and show you how my setup will be for the new year and what I went with. Okay, and then this one also says the same, Starbucks Reserve. They look so good. I'm so excited to use them. And then these stickers, I've so been wanting them, and every time, like on eBay and different places, when they have them, they're always sold out. I always miss out on them. They're so cute. Oh my gosh, they're so good. So I'm excited that I'm not finished with my 2025 setup, that I still have space in case I want to add some of these cute little guys to it. So I love that. Maybe even to my passport, I might find a spot where I can add somebody in there. Are those so good? I really love that one. Okay. All right, well, that little birdie, he was so thoughtful. The Starbucks Reserve, like, vinyl sticker, it looks like. Yeah. Is that so nice? Oh my gosh. I'm like, you spend a little fortune, even though, like, it's better pricing sometimes. It is better pricing, like in Japan, but it's still, you know, cost and still pricing adds up and everything. And some of the Travelers Factories, not that, when I saw some of the receipts that he had, they were still pricey. It's just when we get over here or get them on eBay or things like that, people have even marked them up that much more. So anyways, this is my little haul, my wonderful haul, very generous haul from the Starbucks Reserve. And these guys, are these so good? And this guy in my bag. Oh my gosh, I love it. So I really am now rethinking my 2025 cover. I don't know what it's going to be, but the coffee, I'm sort of sad now that my little passport Starbucks Reserve coffee I released along with the little coffee charm with it. And I had sold that, I think, for like in my group for like $60. It was like a good little deal. But I was kind of feeling like, oh, I need to downsize and just keep what I'm using. But it's also okay to have things that you love. And look, I already got a little something, but that just goes to the beauty. I will tell you, this one is softer than any other cover I have. I don't even know if the softness of the look of it comes through. Let me show you. This one I have, they're the same color, both little camel. This one is the Ace Hotel. And I'm sure from using it a lot, it's warmed up, but still didn't feel like this one in the beginning. This one is so soft, just so soft. And this one is softer than most, but it is different. And this is the one that is my sticker book. If you guys have not seen this video, it is a must. I can't even tell you. This is like my very, very favorite, most useful use for my traveler's notebook, the cover. It is exceptional. You got to check out that video. And, oh, and I put my little Love and Trip, worked on that so good. So I did think about using this one for, obviously, for the Love and Trip for this year's whole little theme. But I kind of have just broke it in so nice for this. I like to just keep it in there. Plus, I have a little thought. Let me give you guys a little peek. I'm going to give you guys a little peek at what I'm thinking for my 2025 cover. Now I'm kind of going back and forth between this and the train because it's a little trip. But I'll tell you why I'm thinking this one. A little peek, and then that is it. And then let me know if you like this video. Please click the little like for me. I love and appreciate that, and it helps. And I'm always telling and sharing that with you guys. And if you have an idea of which one you like best, that you are leaning towards for 2025, let me show you. This is from my prior little video. Let me know. I think not the coffee. These are them. I was going to do this one. I'm kind of leaning on this one now. But obviously I like this because it says the Love and Trip already on there. So it goes with that theme, but it doesn't have to be completely. But I'll show you how it has the black wing pencil here, because this one was my little art and watercolor journal, but I switched it into my Galen leather cover. Okay, look, it has the little black wing pencil there. Do you see that? I mean, I really shouldn't just choose for that. And here's a little glimpse at my cover, and I'll have to share all about it in an upcoming little video. But I thought that was so special, and the black just really seems to pop with everything. But let's see. I think the brown would look so good too. Okay. Let me know your thoughts in there. Which one are you guys leaning towards? Maybe that will help me if you guys say. I don't know. Here it is. Here's with the black cover. But then this is my brand new cover. What do you think? Doesn't the trip seem like, hey, we all go together now? Love and trip. I think it's so cute. And then, I know I should put that with that. How does that seem? That seems like it goes too. Oh, the hard decisions. I really thought this was it until this little cutie pie showed up that Joshua got. Oh, that little birdie. He's so sweet. Okay, well, thank you guys so much for joining me. I so loved sharing my Tokyo, Japan stationery hauls of goodness gifts from my Birdie Joshua. So thank you. I have lots more videos for you guys coming throughout the holidays. Stay with me because I'm not going away. I'm still going to be posting through the holidays, even though things are a little busy. It's so nice to relax and enjoy and watch the little YouTube videos we love. Thank you guys.